Ka pilot project jom ka kanhun ki scientist jom ka Trinity Implex International Delhi. Kabalawan hiar sya East Jaintia Hills District nadu ubnai naiwing jong usnam arjar ka khandai. Ban sedang ya ka project barpenku ya kiwa kibala kelas niuno. Hadin bikladep ya ka wei ka project haka wa kerhu kla menta kaneka kanhun kahiar sa sya wa Lukha hasona perdi. Ban sedang saya ka project hangte. Nakaliang ki saungut ki scientist kila penti kana bayakawa Lukharu onla ban penkuj da kaba penon kam yu ujai jingtung belatip kumu algi namar ya kane kiladap ban pensisya hadin bikiladap ya ke projek hakawa kerhu kla habai keren bot umopor u director joka Trinity Implex International ubaderu u scientist u Dr. Sapan Anan ulong bakane ke projek ban penkuj ya ka da u algi kade ka jingwat benya kabakilale arposan senam mencua hakabaki sungtu bau algi udan kabor bapan kuitpat ya ka kabala kelas new bat kidan hadu ar punyo kijaj algi barashwa bakin pengam yu hapo kiha banwat nya shwa ujai algi ubakumno ubaya ban penkam hakaban penku ya kawa.
Plan to complete the study in 2 years' time, and once the study is complete in 2 years' time, hopefully we can, the results will start coming much quicker.
Yes.
So we don't have to wait for the results for 2 years to finish, but the results will start coming in 3-4 months' time. And as soon as the results start coming in, it will be a confidence building exercise with the local community and with the administration that the concept is working. And we have done the same thing in Karukla River as well, in Ladrim bypass, which is near the East Side Inn Hotel. And that was the first project which was awarded to us by the Ministry of Forest and Environment with the approval of NGT, the National Green Tribunal. And we have also been successful in terms of cleaning a certain section of the river, once again using just algae and nothing else. So we have used algae, we have dosed algae back into the river, and earlier on, you would have been able to see that in Krukla River, the water was very orange, brown orange.
Yes.
But now when you go back to the river itself, you start seeing the water started turning slightly green.
Yes.
And green is basically very rich quality water. And the pH has also improved from 2.3. It has gone back to around 6.5 to 7 in many locations, which is highly acceptable quality of water. And now we are also seeing biological life coming back into Krukla River as well, which was once highly acidic. Yes, absolutely. So the reason why we have taken up this project is after doing a lot of research, like our CEO mentioned earlier on, we spent almost 25 years doing research on algae. We had mentioned earlier on that there are 27,000 different kinds of algae species. And before we start using any algae on a particular effluent or a particular wastewater, we have to find out which particular algae will work on that water or that effluent or that river body.
Yes.
And after doing the mapping, the matching of algae which can work on that particular river body, we have been in a position where we can confidently say that we are in a situation where we can certainly clean this. And we have proven that in a very small scale study. In a laboratory environment, we've already proven it. And only then we have been interested to take on this project. And we have given that study back to the administration as well. So all those things have taken place. So this was not something which happened over a short period of time. It has been happening for almost 1.5 years, where we've taken a lot of samples. We have done a lot of testing. We have tried multiple algae. We have understood, the kind of ecology which is there. We also utilize a drone mapping company to understand the contour of the river from Mokimbad 1, Mokimbad 2, all the way down to Khadum Bridge and all the way back to Sonapur itself, to understand what is the course of the river, what is the flow of the river, why is the water in the river getting affected by multiple reasons, and only then we have been able to identify which algae will work. So we are very confident that the algae will work.